If you're sick and tired of creating time-consuming PowerPoint presentations or just don't know which AI tool is the fastest, this is going to be the best video you could watch because today I'm putting 4 of the hottest AI tools to the test: Manus, ChatGPT, Cider, and Gamma, to not only see which one makes the fastest, but also the best and most versatile presentation. Let's get started. I'm going to upload this PDF called 21 Indispensable Qualities of a Leader by John Maxwell into each of the 4 tools with directions to make a presentation. As you see, this is pretty basic. We're going to start with Manus, the AI agent known to make super fast slide generations and can do it with very little prompting. It can even do additional deep research if you ask it. But for today, we're just going to use a simple prompt to create a presentation after selecting the template for what we want the presentation to look like. And that's a pretty good feature. As it gets started, it does ask me to choose the front cover page. Then it's going to start to do its work. Manus is an AI agent that at this time of recording requires an invitation to use. I'm going to share my invite code in the description, which will get you an extra 500 free credits. It's free to chat, basic chats, but to do advanced tasks such as create presentations like we're going to be doing today, creating websites, courses, videos, and so much more, it does require credits. Each day you're going to get 300 credits to use. And if you need more, you can either refer others to earn credits for free for yourself or just purchase one of their plans. While that one's working, let's get started with ChatGPT. We're going to use the agent mode to complete this kind of task. I uploaded the document and asked it to build a presentation, and watch as it gets started. Now, ChatGPT agent mode is only available on the paid plus plan at this time of recording, which is their $20 a month plan. And with that, you receive 40 agent runs per month. So we're going to let this run and get Cider AI started. Now, I've uploaded the PDF and asked Cider to generate 10 slides with the presentation, and I chose the template that I wanted. Now, I like this feature. Cider asked what my audience profile and content focus was, asking me about the scope. Did it want all 21 qualities, who the primary audience was for the presentation, the preferred design style, and should the slides include practical examples or famous quotes for each quality. That's a pretty good feature that it asked some more detailed questions when it was going to come up with the presentation at the end. I look forward to seeing what that's going to look like. So as we let that get started, let's talk about this tool. Cider AI is an all-in-one AI assistant and browser sidebar tool that integrates many different LLM tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, just to name a few. It has the capability to do deep research, create websites. It's an AI writer, an image generator, slide presentation maker, as you see with many templates to choose from, which we didn't see in ChatGPT, by the way, but we did inside of Manus. So there's a lot you can do with Cider. But my favorite feature is the ability to chat with multiple LLMs at one time. It's so cool because you can choose which ones you want to get the answers from and just watch it generate and then compare which you like better. And you can do up to 3 at a time. It's really a great feature. Now, Cider also works on a credit basis. You get 30 credits free per day. They don't carry over. But if you use my link in the description to download it, you're going to get an extra 100 free credits. Now, let's let this run, and we're going to get started with one of my favorite tools called Gamma. And if you've been following my channel, I've shared many videos about Gamma. It's time to put the presentation creator to the test. As we upload the file, choose to make a presentation with it, I'm going to choose to preserve all the text to ensure nothing's left out, and choose the theme. Got lots of colors to choose from. And I'm also going to choose how I want my images to process. Now, I can choose AI to generate them, like with ChatGPT 4.0, really good image maker. But for today, I'm just going to ask for stock images. We're going to click Generate and watch it create the entire presentation before your eyes. It really is quite spectacular to watch. Now, Gamma is a free tool that can build presentations, websites, landing pages, as well as documents, and you can upload other documents. You can use text. You can use just simple prompts or even put in a URL. It also works on credit basis, to which you're going to get 200 free credits when you use my link in the description when you use it for the very first time. This is incredibly fast. Look, it's already done in just 2 minutes. The ability to interchange and edit virtually everything with such ease is what continually blows my mind. You can change out the layout, the images, the theme color, and so much more just with the click of a button. You can even use it to present from directly to your audience, or choose to download it or even share it with a link. The capabilities of Gamma continues to amaze me. Now let's take a look at each of the final results, and you be the judge. You got to see Gamma, so let's take a look at Manus, which took about 7 minutes to complete the entire presentation. As we're looking at it, it's pretty basic looking. As we scroll down through each slide, you're going to see some of these images really don't match the slide presentation at all. So I'm not particularly impressed with this presentation. I also decided to ask it to make a change to the theme, chose a different color, and it took another 7 minutes to come back with a very simple, basic change of a theme. So compare that to Gamma. Gamma wins big time over Manus. Now the total credits used was 427 to generate the full presentation, which included the change in theme. And you do have the option to then download it as a PDF or as a PowerPoint presentation. Now you can also edit the slides, but you're going to see there's limitations. We can edit the text color, bold, italics, but as you can see, as I try to edit the image, it's just not supported and has to be done in Google Slides. Well, let's go ahead and check ChatGPT. While the presentation is neat, it's clean, the inability to choose a theme or edit afterwards without prompts is just a limitation. And it took the longest to complete the task at just over 13 minutes from a single prompt to create the presentation from an uploaded document. I don't believe it would be my go-to for making a presentation at this stage of the agent capabilities. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Now here we are in the final presentation with Cider. You notice that we can go ahead and rename it, change the text, add shapes. We can even add an image. Go ahead and save it. You can preview it. Presentation view, presentation mode. You're able to share it. And you can share it on X, copy the link, share it. And if you are a premium user, you are able to download it. So downloading it is not available for free. And you can see how easy it is just to go ahead and click on to change any of the text, colors of the text, the notes. But let's go ahead and take a look at each of these slides. I'm actually really impressed with how nice they look. The presentation is actually beautiful. I think that had a lot to do with those questions it asked in the very beginning that we answered. So yeah, all the images actually match what the presentation was all about. So I think Cider did really well. I'm definitely going to add this to my toolbox. If you haven't grabbed the Cider link for the extra 100 free credits or the Gamma link for the extra 200 credits, definitely grab those links in the description below. So which presentation blew you away? Let me know in the comments. I want to know which one you're going to choose. I think Gamma won. I enjoy using Gamma. It is so easy to use. The flexibility, the features, just be able to edit anything you want just with a click of a button, especially the ability to create landing pages by taking a simple URL. Maybe it's somebody else's that you've seen and you're like, ooh, I like the layout. Go ahead and just pop it in less than 5 minutes. You have your own landing page. Go ahead and check out the video next and see if you can create a landing page in less than 5 minutes. You can do it all for free with Gamma.